Lot number 600 is a 2005 Acura TSX. This one has a rebuilt title. This was confiscated by City of Hialeah Police Department. It's got a 2.4 liter four-cylinder, 2.4 liter four-cylinder with 112,000 miles. The motor sounds good. I've had it running for about 45 minutes. It has not overheated. It idles smooth, revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows cold. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear the motor. Motor sounds good. Revs up nice, it feels very responsive, idle smooth, and AC blows cold. 2.4 liter with 112,000 miles. The body is straight. The paint is peeling and faded in some spots. Passenger side looks good. It's got 4 matching alloy wheels. The headlights are peeling, they look dull. Passenger door has a small dent right over here. Looks like a baseball hit it or something. Rear bumper is cracked on both corners right here. It's cracked and it's dented. It's an Acura TSX. Here's the driver's side. It's also nice and straight. Only damage here is that rear bumper. It's got the 4 matching alloy wheels. The tires look good. You see, the paint back here is peeling and faded, and it may be hard to see in the video. The sunroof works. I actually tested it, and it does work. Let's open it right now and see if there's any rust in here. It looks good. Driver's side door handle is missing on the interior, so you could only open it from the outside. Luckily that window goes down and I've been able to open it from the inside. There's the driver's side. It looks good. It's got minor imperfections. It's got paint fading. It's got that rear bumper situation. The trunk lid actually looks like it's poking up a little bit here. Trunk looks good. Interior shows normal wear and tear. Door panel looks good. The handle's broken. Driver's seat is torn on the bottom. All leather interior. Missing the center console armrest. Passenger seat looks good. None of those little doors, ashtray, cup holders, none of those doors close. AC controls and radio look good. The dashboard is not cracked. The AC is blowing ice cold. Here are the miles, 112,000 miles. The airbag light is on. Rear seat looks good, but it has a little spot of paint. It looks like white paint right there and right here. That should be cleanable. You use the right stuff. Should come right off. Headliner looks good. Minor imperfections. Overall not in bad shape. Passenger side door panels all look good. The rear seats look good. Here's the passenger seat. It looks nice. All right. So there it is. It's a rebuilt title. This vehicle was confiscated by the police department. It's got 112,000 miles. 4-cylinder, should be good on gas. Runs and drives, got cold AC. It's lot number 600. Lot number 600. Good luck.